Here I have PRESTIGIO MultiPad Ranger, and let me show you how to set the screen lock protection on the following tablet. At the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's find and select the apps icon. Then you have to find and select the settings right here. Use the left bar and scroll down in order to find the security tab. It's under personal right here. Let's choose screen lock, and now you have to decide either you would like to use slide, face unlock, pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me select pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern. Let's tap continue and let's do it again just for confirmation. And that's it. You can change some settings about the screen security. For example, you can make your pattern invisible, or you can change the automatically lock time. Right now we are using a 5-second lock. And if you would like to use your screen lock, let's press power key right here. And now let's press power key again. If you would like to start using your tablet, you have to input your pattern. Let me do it. And you just unlock your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.